Do you have a Gliderol remote control that's not working or not functioning very good at all? We'll try this very easy fix that might solve your problem. Start by removing a screw from the back and separate the back from the cover. Now remove the PCB and you should find that the contacts have become extremely dirty and not making a very good connection. Check that out. Grab yourself some all-purpose cleaner, alcohol, methylated spirits, or even some WD-40 works great. Pop some onto a paper towel and wipe until clean. Now, a little bit to go, but it's almost as good as new. Check that out already. You'll also want to clean the conductive carbon pads inside the other half of the casing. They get a bit dirty as well. Now just pop the circuit board and battery back inside the cover. This might even be a good time to replace the battery. Now put the screw back in and give the buttons a test. 1, 2, and 3. All buttons working fantastic, so all fixed. I'm that roller door bloke. Thanks for watching.